This video is very special and important for the new Adobe After Effects learner because in this video I'll show you from the beginning of the After Effects and doing animation. So hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. Let's begin the video. At first you have to install Adobe After Effects and open it. This is the Adobe After Effects 2020 interface. After open Adobe After Effects, you have to click on the new project. Then click on this option new composition. Then you can see many preset. Simply click on the custom and set the composition size. I take the composition 1920 by 1080. Then set the pixel aspect ratio. I set square. Frame rate will be 30 and set the resolution full. And I take the duration only 5 seconds. Simply click 0 and 5. Then click OK. The composition is ready. From top you can see some option like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. First option is selection, second option is hand tool, third is zoom tool, and etc etc. Right side of the application you can find some important option like character, from where you can select fonts. Then you can see align and paragraph. The most important option is effect and preset, from where you can use some amazing and exciting effects. Now I show some basic animation. For the animation you can see there is composition option. Click on this option and press Ctrl plus I. Select a photo and click import. You can see the photo is imported, and click on the photo and drag down and release. You can see the photo is used in your composition. Simply click shift and drag to resize the photo. I place the photo there. Then I write something. I select the text and change the font, Roboto font. I place the font there. Now I animate it. First click on the image and click on the arrow also. Go to transform. To animate the image, I go to 10 frame and set a position keyframe. Click on the position and go to the starting point and drag the image and set the starting point. Go to preview. If I play the option, you can see the photo come here from the outside of the canvas like that. This is too fast. To slow movement of the image, I go to 20 frame and press the keyframe there. Now you can see the image little bit too slow. Now it's fine. Now I animate the text. Click on the arrow, go to transform. I go to the 30 frames, I mean on second. There set the position. Come to the starting point and drag the text like that. You can see the text is coming from the outside of the canvas, but the text is too fast. To little bit slow the text, I go to 5 seconds later and click the keyframe and drag it like that. Now the text is coming perfectly. Now I animate the second text. Click on the position option and back to the starting. Set the starting point like that. Now come to the starting point. You can use space button for the play. If I play it, you can see firstly the man is calm, then his name and company name. like that. This is a perfect animation, simple but very nice. I hope after watching the video you can easily able to make this type of animation in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching the video.